I just got the squishy dumpling. It was £6, so let's see if it was worth it. I'm so excited. This is the moment of truth. I just don't want to get yellow because I got yellow on my mini dumpling before, so I really want it to be the glitter one. 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's not opening. It's blue! I like that. Wow, that's nice. That was good. Thankfully, it was not the yellow one. So there's a white, a pink, a light yellow, a beige. Oh, I thought it was gold. Light blue, which I got. Violet, or the pink holographic one, is the rare one. I wish I got that one, but it's okay. Thanks for watching. Bye.